Fun fact, updos can also be done on wigs, and today I had the chance to work on this amazing wig and give this beautiful lady an all-up style. Of course, I couldn't work without my Stronghold Volumizing Powder. It's going to be the perfect product to give me the style that I want and the hold that we need for this beautiful wig. So I go ahead and just put it on the root, tease a little bit, and then create the shape that I want little by little. And keeping in mind the placement of my bobby pins, because I want this style to last when she takes it off and she puts it back on at the end of the month when she goes to a wedding. That's actually the reason that she came in today, so that I could style it for her for the future and she doesn't have to worry about doing her hair. All she has to do is just put it on, tuck in the hair that's all around her hairline so it looks natural, and she's ready to go. Styling this wig actually inspired me to get a wig for myself just for fun, for when I want to go out and look different. Do you guys have wigs at home that you like to play around with? Let me know in the comments if you yourself have wigs and what brand you like. And follow my account for hair tips and tricks.